For generations, wealthy families have been using a special strategy with their life insurance. They treat their policy like their own personal bank. This episode is brought to you by Stonehill Wealth Management. Money can be stressful, but it doesn't have to be. Our team helps people understand their finances and make smart choices for their future. Most people know about life insurance's death benefit. If you pass away, your family gets money. But with cash value life insurance, which has an additional feature to it, it's like having a savings account built right into your policy. A portion of each payment you make goes into this account, which grows over time. Think of it like this. You're paying for life insurance or death benefit and building a savings account at the same time. You can actually borrow money from your own policy. It's like taking out a loan from a bank, but instead there's no credit checks or awkward questions. Just quick access to the cash when you need it. You have flexible options for paying back the loan. You can make regular payments, or you can simply let the loan ride. If you don't pay it back, it'll be deducted from the death benefit when you pass away. Your cash value can grow in a few ways. It can earn interest. The insurance company adds interest to your cash value, just like a bank does with a savings account, because on the other side of that is a giant insurance company portfolio where they're lending out money for real estate, for buying businesses, they're investing in equities, but mostly they're lending money and they're paying the policy owner's interest on that money. You have another option where you can choose your own investments, and so that could be stocks, bonds, or whatever if you want to try to have it grow faster. Some insurance companies also pay dividends from the profit of the insurance company when it's a company owned by the policy owners. Here's some famous examples of people using life insurance to borrow from it. Walt Disney, he borrowed against his life insurance to help build Disneyland. Ray Kroc of McDonald's did the same thing to grow his burger empire. I'm including myself in here, I'm not famous, but I used my policy to start my company, Stonehill Wealth Management. I see cash value life insurance as an alternative to traditional fixed income investments like bonds. It's like having a super safe investment strategy managed by some of the smartest fixed income investors on the planet. And when you do it through an insurance company, you understand the way they're set up, and their operational leverage gives you a massive advantage. But here's the thing. I'm not a big fan of fixed income investments right now because I think inflation will be rising a lot more than what it has in the past. So I prefer to borrow from a life insurance policy and invest that money in things that I believe will grow faster than inflation, like gold, Bitcoin, or strong, fast-growing companies. Life insurance loans are great because they're super flexible. You can work out a payment plan that fits your need and keeps the policy in good shape. Imagine borrowing 50 grand from your policy and investing it in something you expect to grow by, let's say, 15% a year. Over 15 years, you can turn that 50 grand into $400,000 under those assumptions. And you still have your life insurance protection. Here's some important things to remember. Fees. There are going to be fees involved, so be sure you ask about those whenever you borrow from your life insurance policy. Death benefit. If you don't pay back the loan, it will reduce the amount your family receives when you pass away. Taxes. Sometimes you may have to pay taxes on the money you borrow if you don't do things properly, so make sure you understand the rules around keeping the loan tax-free. The bottom line. Cash value life insurance can be a powerful tool for growing and protecting your wealth. It's like having a crafty tool in your toolbox that can do multiple things. Just be sure to understand how it works and consider all the factors before making your decision. Want to learn more about investing? Join my Inner Circle newsletter. It's packed with my step-by-step thought process around investing. Plus, you pay what you want. No tricks. Just valuable information to help you feel confident about your money. The link is in the description. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights. Thanks for hanging out. Be fruitful and go multiply your money.
Philip Washington Jr. is a registered investment advisor. Information presented is for educational purposes only and does not intend to make an offer or solicitation for the sale or purchase of any specific securities, investments, or investment strategies. Investments involve risk and, unless otherwise stated, are not guaranteed. Be sure to first consult with a qualified financial advisor and/or tax professional before implementing any strategy discussed herein. Past performance is not indicative of future performance.